Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'm going to show you how you can verify your Bitstamp account. So in order to verify your Bitstamp account, first of all, you'll have to create an account. So in order to create an account, all you have to do is just provide in your personal information that includes your name, username, and all sort of things. And you'll begin with this procedure, that is verification. So to get verified, you'll have to provide in your info and upload the documents, provide basic financial information, and enable extra security. Go ahead and tap on start your verification located right at the bottom. Now in my case, I'm using a web browser, but if you have an application, you can do that as well. Either way, the procedure is going to remain the same. Now first of all, provide in the phone number associated with it and click the continue button. So as soon as you do that, it's going to take you to the other interface where you have to provide in the 4-digit security code. Only then you can proceed on to the step number 2. So click on the continue button as you are done and enter and upload the document. That could be your passport or your state ID or your driving license whatsoever. Make sure to take a clear picture of it. Next page, you have to provide in some financial information about your income and all sort of details. And once you've done that, and you can also provide in some extra details if you want, or otherwise you can simply skip that part, wait for it to notify you about the verification. And that's basically how you can verify your Bitstamp account. So in that way, you can verify your Bitstamp account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.